It's Delta's pleasure to welcome you to Raleigh-Durham. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop at the gate, and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt light. Please use caution when opening overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight. It is now permissible to use mobile phones if they are readily available. If you're making flight connections here, you need information regarding ground transportation or baggage claim. Please check with Delta agents in the gatehouse for assistance.